CAD with MP. In this video we'll be looking at how to make the top part the laptop stand. We have made our two legs. Next we're going to pop the top bit on. So I'm going to create a sketch here, capturing the position of my new components. Again, I'm going to use the 2-point rectangle, working from one corner. We're going to go 400 millimeters up, and our width is 300, and I'm happy with that. It's worth noting the legs are in the wrong position at the moment, but we will move them once we've built this top part. So I'm going to go E for extrude, making sure I select the entire surface area of that top component. I'm going to click 15 millimeters because that's the thickness of plywood we have. Now the operation is automatically join, but we want it to be a new component because it's a new component. And I'm going to click OK. I'm going to rename that component top part. And next I'm going to move this leg number 1, leg number 2, from the wrong position to the right position, which would be on this corner. The way I'm going to do that is by clicking M for move, while having that leg 2 selected. The original point is over here, and I want to move it over here. So making sure my move type was point to point, then I just click corner to corner, and I click OK. Nice. So far, so good. I'm going to create a sketch on the top here, capturing the position. I'm going to draw a few construction lines because I'm going to use them as mirrors later on. So I'm just going to draw a construction line through there and a construction line through there. We know I'm at the center because there are little blue triangles showing me that I'm at the center of each of those lines. So I'm happy with that. Going back into my sketch, I'm going to look at it from this angle. Okay, I'm going to click C for circle, and I'm going to come out maybe 25 millimeters, maybe 30. In reality, I'd use a Forstner bit to drill a 30 millimeter hole. And I might just move that using M for move, move it down a little bit. I'm going to go L for line, and I'm going to draw from the center of that circle to our mirror line. I'm going to go T for trim. I'm just going to cut away the edge of that circle there. Now I can use the mirror tool, clicking that line, that line, that line. I'm going to mirror it into my construction line that I set up earlier, and I'm going to click OK. Okay, I'm happy with that. This is going to be a hole where you'd have your laptop around this area, and then the power cables, mouse cables and such like can then disappear through this hole. So I'm happy with that. I'm next going to go split body. I'm going to select the body to split, and the tool that I am going to use is this very fun shape that we've just created, making sure the whole thing's selected. And I'm going to click OK. Great. Now in the drop down, same as before, I've just got to establish which body I want to remove, right click it and click remove, and off it goes. So very quickly I have popped in that incision there. What I'm going to do now is make a trough that runs from this face right through to the other face. So the way I'm going to do that is by creating a sketch on this side plane here, and I'm going to come using construction lines 15 millimeters in, using solid lines now. I'll come down 10 millimeters by 10 millimeters, and I'm going to finish sketch. Now I'm going to split the body. Body to splits, this top one. Splitting tools, the shape that we just drew. Does that look about right? Let's have a look. Yeah, that looks right. It cuts all the way through the body that we want to cut. I'm going to click OK. And then same again, we've got to work out which body it is we want to remove. Right click, remove. We have a nice slot just there that pens and things could go into. In our next video, we're going to explore how we might pop the metal bar, the aluminium bar, underneath here and attach it using a machine screw.